Hello, my lovely Aries. Welcome to my channel, Sharks to Dot. Guys, I heartily welcome each and everybody here over this channel. And guys, this particular reading is all about your individual and your person, Aries. Now, Aries, I would say one thing to you that these are really general readings, so try to take what resonates and leave the rest, guys. Apart from it, I would like to say you one thing that Aries, we are going to check every detail about your person's thought, thinking, the kind of words and sentences they want to say it to you or deliver it to you, and everything. I think I would tell you one thing that this particular reading is for your particular individual. Now, first, we're going to start with the tarot cards, then come to the love messages, and then the universal guidances or oracle messages to be genuinely known. Now, the tarot cards I'll start with. We have the Five of Swords is here, Four of Cups is here, Seven of Swords is here, Page of Swords is here, and the Ten of Pentacles is right here. Now, Aries, I see a whole lot of conflicts coming up into your life. Sorry, it's into your person's life. I'm so sorry. Yeah, and I feel the thing that they are so much into an trauma where they don't know exactly what is happening with them, and they want to figure out, but I don't see them figuring it in the best possible ways and manners. Anything they do, it creates some kind of burden over the other. Factors are involved over here. The sadness, the dull, and the monotonous moments over here are so high. I definitely feel something is happening behind your back, your person's back, and they're not aware about it. And that is the reason they are tackling things on their own and they're not speaking it with you people. I won't say that they are not wanting to tell things to you, they are absolutely wanting to say, but um, I also feel that them being so much suffering alone that they do not um, think themselves to be fit enough to come up and confront it to you. They have some things into their heart. They want to speak out. They want to know you at a deeper level. Where relationship, bliss, security is what they are wanting and they are wondering. Coming to the cards, the very first card we have is I bury myself in work to forget you. This individual is more of a workaholic person, I would say, Aries, and they're trying to work as much as they can into their life. Second card is wait. I know I was a distraction from your pain. Definitely, there's a feeling that you used them, maybe. Or if have not used them, Aries, I would say that they definitely feel them to be a distraction for your pain, Aries. Just because you had some things, so you used them for that things. Third card, I look for you everywhere. This individual is visualizing the pictures and photographs and everything. They are looking up at the videos again and again, and they are looking for you everywhere, guys. They just know you, they want you, they want a new beginning with you somehow. Next card, I want to tell you how I feel. Now, this is what Aries, your person, is having, I would say. Now, there are a lot of messages they want to give it to you. It's not only about messages, but also some kind of talks. And that talk, which is really, I think, soft talks, I would say. And secondly, some things which is related or regarding to the best feeling ever kind of a thing. Your individual, your person you're dealing with here is so much acquainted or suspicious about the fact that what are you actually, Aries. This kind of things are figuring out. Reading the oracle cards, your smile, your laugh, your appearance, how could I not fell? Now this is how they came and they fell into love with you. Because Aries, your presence, your personality, your developments into yourself, You just made them feel mad about you. Next card. May the stars and the moon guide our peaceful slumber. So this is where this individual comes with, and they're just praying that let the destiny play its work and you both become together again. And if not together, if you were, but now they are wanting that you need to be with them. Next card. Everything in the universe has a rhythm. Everything dances. Where you know that the universe provides you with all lot of stuffs and everything which you need. It's not what you want. It's everything which you need. Okay guys, wait. And the last card here. I remember the first time I saw you, my heart whispered, she is the one. Oh my god, Aries, somebody is too much loving you. This person is too much into love with you. The expressing is not good. They are suffering alone. It's important, Aries, to reach out them, ask about what is happening because they are really into you. Thank you so much for watching this reading, guys. Do like, do comment, do please subscribe to my channel, everybody. And thank you for so much of love and affection you have given me. Thank you. See you people next time.